Thousands of people immigrate to Canada every year, and amongst them about 68,645 immigrants got their permanent residence through a unique program called the Provincial Nominee Program, PNP. This video will help you understand how PNP works and which provinces you should be looking into if you want to immigrate to Canada through Provincial Nomination Program. The Provincial Nominee Program is a jointly administered immigration program which provides provinces and territories with an opportunity to address their specific economic development needs, while distributing the benefits of economic immigration across all provinces and territories. There are currently bilateral agreements with 11 jurisdictions regarding the administration of the PNP, which provide the authority for provinces and territories to nominate immigrants destined to their jurisdictions by establishing their own criteria for provincial nomination. Once nominated by a province, a nominee applies to IRCC for permanent residence, at which time the department determines the client's eligibility and admissibility based on IRPR and federal admissibility standards. IRCC retains authority over the final selection decision. Let's have a look at the number of PNP nominations issued during year 2019. The first province in the category is British Columbia, with about 12,575 provincial nominations issued in 2019. Manitoba comes on second number with about 12,545 provincial nominations issued in 2019. Ontario stands on the third number with about 12,340 provincial nominations. On the fourth rank we have 11,235 nominations issued by Alberta, a province with the biggest blue skies to view that gorgeous sun. Saskatchewan ranks on fifth number with 10,960 provincial nominations issued in 2019 that welcomed thousands of international skilled workers from healthcare, technology, business and various other fields. Nova Scotia ranks on sixth with approximately 3,515 nominations issued to attract nurses, truck drivers and various other professionals to fulfil the demand of growing Nova Scotia. On seventh number we have New Brunswick, who issued 2,850 nominations to fill the local industry, demanding butchers, cleaners and many other skilled workers from various local industries. Prince Edward Island ranks on 8th number with nearly 1,725 nominations issued in 2019, attracting financial managers, registered nurses, plumbers and many other skilled workers internationally. Next in the list, on 9th number, we have 570 nominations issued by Newfoundland and Labrador. Yukon ranks on 10th number with 265 provincial nominations issued in 2019. Northwest Territories rank on 11th with 65 provincial nominations issued in 2019. Quebec is not in the ranking list because Quebec has its own method of selecting international workers. We will talk about the Quebec Skilled Worker Program, QSWP, in another video. Let's talk about how the Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, works. This program is for workers who have the skills, education and work experience to contribute to the economy of a specific province or territory, want to live in that province and want to become permanent residents of Canada. Each province and territory has its own streams, immigration programs that target certain groups, and requirements. For example, in a program stream, provinces and territories may target students, business people, skilled workers, semi-skilled workers. How can they apply for PNP? You must first be nominated by a province or territory. Each province or territory has its own application and nomination procedures. We will leave links to all provincial websites to help you get latest news and to find if your occupation is in demand. Or you can simply fill in our free assessment form at www.visavendor.com and we will do the heavy lifting for you. by running your profile against the requirements of each of the province. Some common PNP occupations in demand are Computer and Information System Managers, Database Analysts and Data Administrators, Chemical Engineers, Managers in Publishing, Motion Pictures, Broadcasting and Performing Arts, Woodworking Machine Operators, Nurse Aides, Orderlies and Patient Service Associates, Metalworking and Forging Machine Operators, Plastics Processing Machine Operators and many more occupations. A link has been given in the description below to find out which occupations are in demand in Canadian provinces. 11 provinces have their own nomination programs, called PNPs, which are as follows: Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program, AINP, British Columbia Provincial Nominee Program, BC PNP, Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program, MPNP, New Brunswick Provincial Nominee Program, NBPNP, Newfoundland and Labrador Provincial Nominee Program, NLPNP, Nova Scotia Nominee Program, NSNP, Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, OINP, Prince Edward Island Provincial Nominee Program, PEI-PNP, Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, SINP, Northwest Territories Nominee Program, NTNP, Yukon Nominee Program, YNP. If you like this video, then please like it, share with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so we can keep you updated with the latest news regarding immigration and visas around the globe.